Hello everyone, this video I will show you how to clear the unnecessary file, or we have to clean our try C or try D to be more to get more spaces. So the first thing, we have to clear the unnecessary file by clicking our window keys on our keyboard and then press O. So we can type like here, type run or UN and type enter. And the first is we have to type TEMP. We have to press enter, and then we have to delete all this. Control A and then delete all, and press continue and click it and skip it and cancel. And next is we have to press percentage and TEMP percentage and enter. These are all the unnecessary file that is on our drive. So we have to delete it all and then press skip. Yes, that's alright. And we have another one is we have to press PRETCH. We have prefetch. Oh no, wait, FETCH prefetch and press enter. It is all these are the unnecessary file and we have to delete it out. The first we have to delete it and press skip. Yes. And next is we have to clean our try. Yes, this is our try C and try D. Our try C is 168 and try D is 149. So we have to clean this one first and right click. We have to press right click and press properties, and then we have to press on this cleanup. So it show a tab like we have to tick all this. Yes, you have to tick all in downloads. If we don't want to delete yet, we don't tick it, don't check it. So we have to press OK and then delete files. So we have to check out this one. It is 168. So we have already cleaned is 168, and this one also right click and properties and this clean up, and then we have to check it to pause off this and press OK, delete files. So now our tries are clean. So next we have to go to taskbar, right click on taskbar and write task manager, click task manager. We have to check this one. If our CPU is 100%, it means our CPU is too hot, and our CPU, our RAM, our memory, our hard disk, ADD, or our network card. These are, if it is just normally percentage runs like this, is okay. So we have to go to setup, startup. We have to disable all these apps. This app, if we click enable, so when our PC open, so it run all these apps, so it means it very slow to our PC. So we have to disable all of this. So on this my PC, I have disabled it all. And next is, if our PC is still slow or cannot run something, You have to go process and press on Windows Explorer, and we have to restart. It's already done, right? So this 100% is slow down, so you have to close it. So this video is finished. So thanks for watching.